my dear daughter Esther Shah and her husband Davidson and my dear children. I am overcome with emotion. To see all of you. I wish I could have come earlier. Anyway, it is better late than never. Today, you may be physically challenged, but God has a purpose for you. For each one of us, God has a purpose for you. You know, when I meet you, it came to my mind that the story of Helen Keller. Helen Keller was like physically challenged, but she became one of the most well-known personality in the history. She wrote many books, and her life was an inspiration for many people throughout history. So like Helen Keller, I think God has a purpose for you. And today, Esther Shah is my niece daughter. She's like my daughter. And through her, you are having these small, humble, modest facilities. I wish I can help you more, but let me try. I will try to help you. And whenever I come to Senapati, I will come and meet you again. Today, I have not come prepared, but I would like to give you a small token. Esther, come and take. I will meet you again very soon. Okay? Thank you.